organizing of safety week, safety and medical programs, and the setting up of a fully fledged medical center were some of the operations carried out by the Health and Safety Division. The Employee Relations and Benefit Management of Human Resource Group looks welfare facilities to Sri Lanka Telecom staff. And these include further medical facilities that include outdoor and indoor treatment, treatment for critical illnesses, etc., financial loan facilities and other welfare facilities such as maintenance of canteens, cafeteria facilities, first aid, restrooms and refreshments for staff working night hours, accommodation fees for outstation visits, etc. This section looks after the administration of 7 circuit bungalows of Sri Lanka Telecom in a superior quality, where everyone at Sri Lanka Telecom are entitled to employ these bungalows even with their family members and friends. Apart from strengthening sports activities by organizing and supporting sports associations, Sri Lanka Telecom provides sports gear for all sports teams who represent Sri Lanka Telecom at local and international levels. Simultaneously, the Employee Relations and Benefit Management of HR Group also conducts educational programs on healthcare to create a healthy and safety-conscious workforce, counseling sessions for employees, handles employee grievances, caring and looking after employees who are critically ill and injured employees who have met with accidents while on duty, encouraging social and cultural activities among employees by providing financial and other necessary assistance, providing financial assistance and organizing annual get-togethers, trips and tours to improve team cohesiveness among everyone, organizing blood donation campaigns and supporting our employees and their family members when they need help from the blood bank for their surgeries and other requirements, offer death donations at the time of demise of employees, organizing, contributing and participating in corporate social responsibility activities in association with trade unions, other sections and officers, etc. An employee web portal is being maintained by Sri Lanka Telecom to facilitate all the employees on self-inquiring their personal information and to give them an idea of their status within the organization. In order to develop the skills of internal staff, the Sri Lanka Telecom maintains fully fledged 4 training centers at Valisara, Muratua, Galle and Peradeniya and provides training on various disciplines meeting the requirements of the organization. Apart from training internal staff, Sri Lanka Telecom training centers provide training for outside people as well. These courses include certificate, diploma, high diploma and postgraduate diplomas with the collaboration of City and Guilds, Edexcel and many more institutions. The Sri Lanka Telecom brand has been renowned throughout Sri Lanka as being a responsible corporate citizen who is trustworthy, strong and reliable and forming an important part of people's lives and shaping their futures. In all its activities carried out throughout each year, Sri Lanka Telecom continuously works towards being accountable for its activities in the eyes of all its stakeholders by working in a manner that ensures sustainability in the environment, social and economic spheres. These activities include empowering ICT and education in the country, sponsoring national events such as Infotel, conducting ICT awareness programs, providing scholarships, empowering professionalism while sponsoring functions of professional bodies such as SEMA, SIM, Chamber of Commerce and many more. Simultaneously, Sri Lanka Telecom undertakes several measures to uplift sports in Sri Lanka, such as supporting the initiatives of National Olympic Committee, Athletic Association of Sri Lanka, sponsoring sports events, etc. Sri Lanka Telecom was prompt in identifying the need for refurbishing the blood bank at Lady Ridgeway Hospital and taking steps to undertake the renovations. And at the same time, staff of Sri Lanka Telecom has also undertaken several steps to uplift the living standards of the sections of the society. Employees of Sri Lanka Telecom Corporate Group collected funds from employees and donated several much-needed essential items to one of the boys' hostels at the blind school Ratmalana. Sri Lanka Telecom, as a responsible national organization, takes so much of pride and effort in implementing a lot of activities towards conserving the nature and the environment through a green concept. Singharaja workshops for school children on conserving the Singharaja rainforest were one such initiative. With the collaboration of the Asian Foundation, Sri Lanka Telecom embarked on a book donation program called Spreading the Wealth of Knowledge in Developing Child, Adult and Professional Education in Sri Lanka by providing education material to selected beneficiaries. Meanwhile, plans are underway to establish libraries targeting underprivileged schools throughout Sri Lanka in 2 phases. Under Phase 1, libraries will be set up in Kegalle, Kalutara, Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and under the Phase 2, libraries will be set up in North and East and Puttalam. Simultaneously, a fully fledged sports complex will be set up in the Valigada area for the betterment of the employees of Sri Lanka Telecom and to uplift their fitness levels. In promoting programs towards the development of sports in Sri Lanka Telecom has also opened its doors to employ national sports personalities and promoted them as national treasures who brought so much of fame and glory to the mother nation. Sri Lanka Telecom, being the giant in the telecommunication industry in Sri Lanka, has also been rewarded for its great achievements and excessive heights. Following are some of the prestigious awards that Sri Lanka Telecom won on its journey. 7th in the Business Today Top 20 Awards 2009-2010. 2011 the Slim Nielsen Power of the People Award for the People's Fixed Line CDIP Telecom Services Provider of the Year. Second on the leaderboard for the financial year 2009-10. Most Respected Entities in Sri Lanka Hall of Fame 2010. National Business Excellence Awards 2010 Runners-Up Infrastructure and Utilities Sector. Gold Award at the Chartered Accountants Annual Report Awards 2010 under the Telecommunications Sector. National Business Excellence Awards 2010 Runners-Up Best Knowledge Integrator. Being amongst the top 10 best corporate citizens within the CSR and sustainable business category. Winner SAFA Best Presented Accounts in Communication and Information Technology Sector. As the technology leaps forward and global connectivity keeps shrinking the planet, Sri Lanka Telecom firmly believes that the world-class telecommunications will unlock more of our latent potential and help Sri Lanka to become a truly empowered island. Sri Lanka Telecom, one country, one voice.